Good evening, students. Welcome to Jatadhara Educational Technology. I hope you all are doing great. And today we are here for our chemistry session. Students, our today's topic is carbon and its compounds. Okay, we have done already this topic, but because this is very important topic, so we are doing the second part of it. Students, please make note that questions will be discussed in this class and you will get 20 seconds for every question to answer. All right. So quickly write down your answers in the chat box. Chat section is open for you. Okay. And if you have any confusion, please write down that as well in the chat box so that we can discuss. Okay. All right. So, with this, we are starting the class with our first question. That is, the number of isomers possible for a compound with molecular formula C5H12 is, and your options are number 1, 2, option number 2, 3, option number 3, 4, or is it option number 5? Option number 4, 5. Okay. So you have to tell how many isomers are possible for the compound with the molecular formula C5H12. All right, students, your time is running very fast and you have very limited time, only 20 seconds that are also almost finished. So now I'm revealing the correct answer. That is option number 2. 3 is the right option. Okay. I can see first name is Shobha that I can see on my screen has given the right answer. And all those students who have selected option number 2, 3 isomers, you all are correct. Well done. Moving ahead, students, the next question. Which of the following is isomer of N-butane? Okay, N-butane, that is neobutane. And your options are number 1, 2-methyl propane. Option number 2, 2-methyl butane. Option number 3, 2-butene, or is it option number 4, 3-methyl butane? Hurry up, children, think and then answer the question. These type of questions mostly come in the examinations. Okay. Quick, students. You have only 20 seconds. Okay, done. I hope everyone has written the answer. All right, there are so many responses. Let's reveal the correct answer, students. The correct answer is option number 2, 2-methyl butane. Okay, 2-methyl butane is the isomer of N-butane. Okay, those who have selected option number 2, you all are correct. Next question, students. Structural isomers differ in, and your options are number 1, molecular formula, option number 2, structures, option number 3, nature of atoms, or is it option number 4, all the above? quickly drop your answers in the chat box. Students, please make the session interactive. Okay, keep responding in the chat box. That is very, very important. Come on, students, hurry up. All right. The correct answer is structures. Okay, option number 2. Shobha has written the right answer, and Chandu also, and all of those who have selected option 2, you all are correct students. Well done. Keep answering like this. Next question. Homologous in the homologous series are differ by, and your options are number 1 CH3 group, option number 2 CH group, option number 3 CH2 group, or is it option number 4 all the above? Homologues in the homologous series are differ by CH3 group, CH group, CH2 group, or all the above. Quick students, good evening. Quickly write your answers in the chat box. Or okay. As I can see, there are maximum of you who are replying option number 3. And all those who have selected option 3, you all are correct students. Excellent. Excellent. Let me take some name as well. Venkataya, Maniketna. I'm sorry, students, if I am not able to pronounce your name. I'm not from south side, but still you all are answering correctly. And I'm so glad to see this. Nikita, DK Bose, Harika, everyone, those who have selected option 3, you all are correct, students. Well done. Next question. I'm expecting these kind of responses only from everyone. Okay, next question. Which of the following is the characteristic property of homologous series? Okay. Number 1, have one general formula. Option number 2, have similar functional group. Option number 3, similar chemical properties. Or is it option number 4, all the above? Students, please do not chat in the chat section. Only write your answers in the chat section, or if you have any queries, because this becomes quite confusing for other students. All right? Students, please interact. Please cooperate. Write your answers only in the chat box. Okay. As I can see, the correct answer is option number 4, all the above. And Vemula, Venkataya, and all those who have selected option number 4, you all are correct. There are maximum who are saying option 4, and you all are correct students. Please write your answers only in the chat box. Next question. General formula of alkenes. And your options are number 1, CnH2n plus 2, CnH2n? Option number 3, CnH2n minus 1? Or is it option number 4, CnH2n plus 1? Alright, students, your 20 seconds are over. Let me reveal the correct answer. That is option number 2, CnH2n. Okay. For alkenes, it is CnH2n. Then again for alkynes, it is CnH2n minus 1. And for alkanes, it is CnH2n plus 2. So the correct answer for this question is CnH2n. Okay. And all those who have selected option number 2, you all are correct. Next question. Which of the following is a homologue of CH3OH? And your options are number 1, CH4, option number 2, C2H4, option number 3, C2H5OH, or is it option number 4, C2H5Cl? Humble request, students, please do not chat in the chat section. Write your answers in the chat section, students. Hurry up, students. Which of the following is a homologue of CH3OH? CH4, C2H4, C2H5OH, or is it C2H5Cl? Students, as you know that in the question there is given one alcohol, that is CH3OH. So the correct answer will be C2H5OH. As we know that homologue, uh, it differs by CH2 group, right? Means first in the question it is given there is one carbon and three hydrogen. Then in the next it will be one carbon extra, means one carbon will add to it and two more hydrogen will add additionally. So there is one C, so it will become C2, one more C will add. There is a 3H, then 2H will be adding. Then C2H5, and because it is OH group, the homologue should also be OH group, right? So the correct answer will be C2H5OH. Okay, students? Next question. Which of the following is not included in the same homologous series? And your options are number 1, CH4, option number 2, C2H6, option number 3, C2H4, or is it option number 4, C3H8? Quickly drop your answers in the chat box, students. Hurry up. You all are doing great. I'm expecting correct responses from everyone, students. Hurry up. Okay, your time is up, students. The correct answer is C2H4. And I can see maximum of you have written option number 3. Bhavna, Satvik, Manikanta, Harika, you all are correct. And all those who have selected option 3, you all are correct, students. Excellent. Next question. Please maintain your energy in the entire class. Okay, next question we have. The molecular formula of first member in the homologous series is C2H2. The molecular formula of third member in the series is, okay, and your options are number 1 C2H4, option number 2 C3H8, option number 3 C4H6, option number 4 C4H8. Hmm. Okay, students, the correct answer is C4H6, option number 3. Excellent, students, excellent. I can see maximum of you have replied option number 3 only. Raju, Vemila, Bhavna, Harika, Puneet, Neha, Jizan, you all are correct. And all those who have selected option 3, excellent, students. Keep answering like this. Next question. The individual member in the homologous series is, and your options are number 1 isotope, option number 2 allotropes, option number 3 isomer, or is it option number 4 homologous? Okay, Shobha, I'll explain you the previous question. See, the molecular formula of first member in the homologous series is C2H2. Okay, this is the molecular formula of the member. Now we know that homologous series, when we make, what happens, we add for the another member, what we will do, we will add CH2 group to it. Okay, for finding the homologous second member. Okay, now because here they are asking about the third member, so we will add again CH2 group. Okay, so the first member is C2H2, second member will be C3H4. Okay, then third member will be what? This will be the second member, that is C3H4. Third member will be what? C4H6. Okay, I hope you have understood. Satvik, Nitika, Harish, all those who had confusions, I hope they all have understood. Yes? Okay, next question. Coming to the next question, that is, the individual member in the homologous series is, and your options are number 1 isotope, option number 2 allotropes, option number 3 isomer, or is it option number 4 homologous? Students, if you have any queries, please write in the chat box in English language because I cannot understand your native language. Hurry up. All right. Yes, excellent students. Every one of you are correct. The correct answer is option number 4. Well done. Next question. The group responsible for characteristic properties of a or of an organic compound is, and your options are number 1, alkyl group, option number 2, functional group, option number 3, periodic group, or is it option number 4, carbon chain? Students, it's a humble request from my side. Please do not chat in the chat section. The class will not go smoothly if you will do these things. It's humble request from my side, students. Otherwise, in the next class, I'll have to take strict actions. Please, students, do not chat and cooperate with the class. The chat section is only for queries and answers. Okay, the correct answer for this question will be option number 2, functional group. Okay, those who have selected functional group, you all are correct, students. Next question. The functional group present in ketone is OH, CHO, or CO, or it is COOH. You have to identify the ketone functional group. Hurry up, students, you have very limited time. Identify the functional group of ketone. Students, the correct answer is option number 3. Okay? So those who have selected option number 3, you all are correct. Next question. The number of carbon atoms in an organic compound is given by, and your options are number 1, primary prefix, option number 2, primary suffix, option number 3, root word, or is it option number 4, secondary suffix? Quickly drop your answers in the chat box, students. Okay, the correct answer is primary suffix. Okay, students. Next question. The nature of second grade functional group is given by, and your options are number one, primary prefix, option number two, secondary prefix, option number three, primary suffix, or is it option number four, secondary suffix? Hurry up, you have only 20 seconds, students. Students, the correct answer for this question is secondary prefix. Okay, so those who have selected option number two, you all are correct. I won't be able to take everyone's name. Okay, students, please check by yourself. All those who have selected option two, you all are correct. Well done. Moving ahead with next question. The secondary suffix for alcoholic functional group is, and your options are number one, one, option number two, ol, option number three, al, or al, option number four, oic. The secondary suffix for alcoholic functional group is one, ol, al, or oic. Hurry up, children. All right. Students, the correct answer for this question is option number two, ol. Okay, third suffix is, or tertiary suffix is al, and fourth suffix is oic. Like we see na, methanol, methanol, methanoic. So that is how it goes on. Next question. The root word for compound containing four carbon. And your options are number one, eth, option number two, bute. Okay, but or bute, whatever you say. Option number three, pent. Or is it option number four, oct? Okay, first answer I've already got, and that is very quick response. Hurry up, students. Okay, the correct answer for this question is option number two, but or bute. Okay, maximum of you have selected the correct answer, students. I'm so glad to see your responses. But on the other hand, I'm not happy to see the students who are chatting in the class. This is not a good thing. Next question. The IUPAC name of ethyl alcohol is, And your options are number one, ethanol, option number two, ethanol, option number three, ethanoic acid, or is it option number four, grain alcohol? IUPAC name of ethyl alcohol, students? Okay, the correct answer is option number two, ethanol. Okay, excellent students. Everyone has written the correct answer. Next question. IUPAC name of acetic acid is, and your options are ethanoic acid, option number two, methanoic acid, option number three, glacial acetic acid, or is it option number four, ethanol? Okay, the correct answer is option number one, ethanoic acid. Okay, everyone has written the correct answer. Well done, students. Well done. Next question. Vegetable oils contain, and your options are number one, saturated long chain fatty acid, option number two, saturated long chain alcohols, option number three, unsaturated long chain fatty acid, or is it option number four, unsaturated long chain alcohols? Hurry up, students. Vegetable oils contain saturated long chain fatty acid, saturated long chain alcohols, unsaturated long chain fatty acid, or unsaturated long chain alcohols. And the correct answer is option number three, unsaturated long chain fatty acids. Okay, students. Next question. Reaction between methane, that is CH4, and chlorine in presence of sunlight is. And your options are number 1, oxidation reaction. Option number 2, combustion reaction. Option number 3, addition reaction. Or is it option number 4, substitution reaction? Reaction between methane, CH4, and chlorine in presence of sunlight is oxidation reaction, combustion reaction, addition reaction, or substitution reaction. There is a dilemma between 3 and 4. Students, the correct answer is option number 4, substitution reaction. Okay, all those who have selected option number 4, you all are correct. Shiv Prasad, Nikita, Shobha, Harish, Neha, Raju, Bhavna, all those who have selected 4, you all are right, students. Well done. Next question. Which of the following compound is prepared by fermentation process? Now, this is very easy question. And your options are number 1, ethane. Option number 2, ethanol. Option number 3, acetone. Or is it option number 4, glycol? Quick students, you all are doing great. With this pace, you all can, with this preparation, you all can crack the exams easily. I want all of you to write the answers like this. Okay, those who are not answering, please interact. At least write. Do not hesitate to, if you are wrong also. These are your practice sessions. You need not to worry. The compound prepared by fermentation process. Students, the correct answer is ethanol. Okay. Alcohol is prepared by the process of fermentation. Okay. And as you know, ethanol is an alcohol. So the correct answer will be option number 2. Okay. Next question. Pure ethanol, that is 100%, is called. And your options are number 1, rectified spirit. Option number 2, denatured spirit. Option number 3, absolute alcohol. Or is it option number 4, wood spirit? Hurry up, children. Pure ethanol 100% is called rectified spirit, denatured spirit, absolute alcohol, or wood spirit. Your 20 seconds are over, students. The correct answer will be option number 3, absolute alcohol. Okay. Next question. Gasol is a mixture of, and your options are number 1, alcohol plus ether. Option number 2, alcohol plus water. Option number 3, alcohol plus gasoline. Or is it option number 4, alcohol plus kerosene? quick, students. All right. Revealing the correct answer, students, that is option number 3, alcohol plus gasoline. Okay. So option number 3 is the right answer. All those who have selected option 3, you all are correct, students. Okay, with this, we are ending the class today. Students, we will meet super soon in the next class with new upcoming videos. Till then, stay tuned. And yes, please refer to our classes to your friends and family members also. And do not forget to subscribe the channel, that is Jet Program.